What's up, guys? Peter Balisteri. Nice to meet you. I'm here to talk about one of my favorite classes, Transportation Systems. It is located in the back corner of Park Hall, and I gotta go to class, so I'll see you guys later.
Located down at the end of Park Hall, we have Professor Alexander's Transportation and Energies classroom. In transportations, we learn all about planes, trains, and automobiles, the engine systems within them, and the systems that help them roll, fly, and go underwater too. Let's come in and see what's going on.
The first project in transportation systems is the engine teardown. With this, we take off every housing, gas tank, cylinder, nut, and bolt. Next up is the water bottle rocket, where we combine water, air pressure, and duct tape, and make these fly.
One of the biggest things I took away was the small engines that we worked on and a bunch of other things that apply to your day-to-day life.
I think just learning about transportation systems as a whole, how they affect the environment and how they all work together to kind of move forward our society is what I took away the most from the class.
Students really enjoy the automotive unit, where they learn and discuss the suspension, steering, combustion, transmission, and structural systems within automobiles, but mostly due to the CO2 dragster activity, where students first create a 3D model with foam blank, then produced finished dragsters on wooden blanks, designing their own shapes to be wind tunnel tested and raced to see who has the quickest car.